Okay, so CATIA v5 had the 3D CAD feature, and this will allow you to do a section within multiple parts. So I received the following comment over here, if there is an equivalent feature within 3DEXPERIENCE. So let's understand this functionality. So this was available within DMU Optimizer. So understanding the 3D CAD capabilities in CATIA v5. To better showcase this, I have prepared multiple type of parts. So the first one will be part design. And as you know, part design, if you're gonna do a cut, we're gonna have the material fill on the inside, just like within a section. So let's get started with that. I'm gonna enable the 3D cut over here. For the selection, I will select the part design over here, which is just a shape that has been extruded. And if I will hit preview like this, we're gonna see that the 3D cutout in this case will be the top section over here from this cube. Now we have the possibility to change the cut location. As we can see over here, I can make this larger on this axis. I can increase it over here. And now the 3D cut will look like this. Okay, so this was a functionality. It worked also within part design, surface, either open or closed, imagine and shape, meshes over here. So we have meshes from CATIA or imported STLs. So let's see, the following feature had the command. I will select. In this case was 3D cut. So let's take a look over here. I will select the part design. I'm gonna enable. As you can see over here on 3D cut, we have C afterwards 3D cut, so that will be the command. Unfortunately, within 3DEXPERIENCE, I didn't find the equivalent for this. So I have over here access to design optimization, but if, for example, I will go within part design, I have over here the prompt added. You can also do that over here, so you can customize it. You can right click and hit customize if you want to enable it. And if I will type the same command, so 3D cut, I will hit enter, we're gonna see that that command will not be available. So most likely this has been changed under a different name. If I'm gonna go over here with cut, we're gonna see various commands over here. So we have uncut, we have cut, execute also has the same, but that 3D cut is no longer available over here. If I'm gonna jump within another, for example, assembly, let's say assembly design, I want to see if the command will change over here, the filter. So 3D cut, or if I'm just gonna type in 3D cut, no, I still need to add that. So if I will type again cut, you're gonna see that now this will filter the commands available over here within the current assembly design. So we have over here assembly cut, cut and cut, but I'm not seeing the same functionality for 3D cut that we had over there. So this will ask me to select a cutting element, and then I can use that as a cutting element. Okay, so I'm really curious if you know where you can find the new version of the 3D cut, because that is quite an interesting features within CATIA v5, and I'm sure that they have somehow translated that within 3DEXPERIENCE. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm gonna position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.